Hey yo, so it's Rye here. I don't know if any of you guys, I know I have like 300 subscribers or something like that. I don't know if you guys are actually watching me or whatever, but like I'm starting my YouTube channel. Fuck it, I'm doing everything. So this is gonna be a studio tour, just cause I wanna like document everything. This is my friend Eric.
So
Shit, the camera is not changing.
that's okay.
Don't worry, I'll fix that. Yeah, so this is Eric. This is the track he's making. We are performers, artists. So this is gonna be a little tour. I really wish I did the tour like earlier because so much shit has changed, and I've just been a little lazy, like lacking. But this is the official tour. Okay, so this is the desk. It's a long desk. I don't know what it's called. I can try to find a link for y'all or something. I'll just turn that off so you guys can see. So I started off with the desk. I bought this when I was like, I think in grade 10 or 11, just so I was tired of sharing the TV with my mom and I wanted to play video games, so I bought that. Yeah, family computer, super old. That's like 2010. I know all this shit makes me look like I'm like super rich, but like this is not. I didn't buy it all at one time. This is like many years coming, like over 10, long ass time. Anyways, this I bought in two separate parts. Like I don't know, I knew this is what I wanted to do, so I kind of I went all in. Some part I had a job in grade 11, and this is what I spent like all my paychecks on. First, I bought like the mic, this thing, and this. I don't know what this is called, receiver or something like that. Anyways, that was like $400. That blew my paychecks. And my paychecks like twice a week were about like $200. So like, you can imagine I was not good with money. Then the next thing I bought was this about a year later, just because I had friends that actually recorded, and with this stuff I couldn't do much. I'll show you guys like a clip of like the first recording I ever did with this. I actually started recording with this guy because my YouTube videos I made like a while ago. And guess who I bought? I bought it from him.
Bro.
Yeah, hooked me up with the discount too.
Time ago.
Long time ago.
Good time.
Now he might buy it from me back.
We'll see. Yeah.
He's finna make a studio too. We'll do a studio tour for him as well.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah. Then the next thing I kind of bought was this futon. I had a carpet in before I didn't, but with the carpet in and there's like a bit of space here, it just felt like a little empty. Plus, like I only have two chairs here, two desk chairs. So when I had a lot of friends over, we would use like these horrible ass stools, and it would not work out. One of my friends, he stayed over hella late and he fell asleep on these puzzle pieces that are not that comfortable. And yeah, there's a closet area. This is where I was initially thinking of putting all like the mic and equipment and stuff, but it just didn't work out when I tried to connect it from like this side of the desk to that side. And I had the storage unit stuff just from, this is like old stuff. You can tell because like, so this was just like a throwaway room, like store everything in here. But I kind of came in and I made it mine. Got like a heater there. It's a bit dark under there. And then this thing, I used to be really lazy. I still am quite lazy, but I'm trying to change that. And this was sitting over there for like 2 years. Now I would set up my PS4 like up here, and it would just not work out. It would not enough space. I know. I just because like when I play games, I usually play over here. So like you can imagine all just crowded, food, plates, disgusting. Yeah. Anyways, I finally gathered up my balls and I put them here, figurative speech, and then yeah. Usually the PS4 is up there. It's upstairs now, but it's like organization. Trying to be more organized in life. We almost killed the lava lamp. That's all G. All good. I just bought a to-do list thing too. This basement is still not done, but it will be. These two art pieces, they look really dope and like expensive and shit. I hope, but I actually found that in a bus stop when I was having like a photo shoot this one day, and I just kind of like, it's like, damn, I'm gonna take this. So yeah, and main reason why I bought the art pieces is just to like create a vibe. Eventually, I'd like to like put artwork or something up there, and like, yeah, this wall is pretty gross. I'd like to change that too eventually. This, I don't know. I think this adds character. Like, I don't know. We're in the house. I can see the house's skeleton and shit. I don't know. I got this. This is other like vibe effects for the studio. Let's turn off the lights. It provides that nice warm glow, but it's hella old. That's why these look like turds. Yeah, but that was like the first time I went to Banff, about like maybe 12, 14 years ago. But it's here now. And yeah, that is the studio. Hey guys, so for those of you who follow me on Instagram, hey guys, for those of you guys who follow me on social media, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, I don't think I have any followers on there, but I have one. I don't use it often. I'm gonna link those. For those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, for those of you guys who follow me on social media, YouTube, Instagram, whatsoever it may be, and for those of you who follow me on Instagram and for those of you who follow my Instagram and follow my YouTube, I think I've got about 300. For those of you who follow me on Instagram and YouTube, I think I've got about like 300 followers on YouTube. Got about almost 4,000 on Instagram. I'm starting a new chapter in my life. I'm starting to like document kind of my life. Before, my YouTube channel used to kind of just be about gaming, but I kind of realized now that I don't enjoy gaming as much as I used to. So I'm gonna start kind of like a documentary for myself on this journey that I'm trying to start with the music and everything. For those of you that don't know, I do make music. That last song I posted, Melodic, that was mine. That was my first song I ever created. But I just kind of want to document everything for that one day. Kind of like use this series or YouTube channel kind of as like a time, the timepiece thing, the time capsule, I think. Like, yeah. Yeah, so I just wanted to invite you guys to join me on this journey, and we'll see what happens.